Okay, let's see how this works. I am trying to journal my trades, and not much for writing them down or taking screen captures, so I figured recording them might be a good idea. And maybe I might put this up on a YouTube thing just to see. Yeah, just to see what happens. Got a new demo account. Well, it's not new, but I just reset the money on it because things went not great before. So trying to be a little bit more deliberate with it. I have a few things. These are all the same. ESM4. I have a daily, have the hourly, and have a 5-minute. And this is a 4,000 tick right here. It looks like it's going down. I mean, trending down, it would seem. So it seems it's been bouncing around right here. So this might bounce back up, or it might bounce around and then break down. We are kind of on an overall uptrend though from the daily. What's the hourly doing? The hourly is kind of a downtrend. So this seems like this might be one of the down candles on the uptrend. This is the frustrating part, waiting for it to do something. I think before, what I might have done is I might have seen this and seen it shoot back up and go, oh, well, it's going to go up. So I'm going to, I'm going to buy because it's going back up. And then inevitably what will happen is that it'll kind of go up to here, then it'll shoot back down and stop me out. Because I'm not doing big swings. I don't know if it's technically scalping. Usually I would go for, like 4. I have my little auto ATM with a stop loss and stuff. And I know this isn't perfect. It's not a 1-to-1. It's got a slightly higher stop loss than it does a take profit, but I end up usually adjusting them a little bit anyway, depending on how things are looking. So, yeah, more waiting. And then, of course, I'm going to have to figure out how to edit this because I'm recording it, and I just figured out how to screen record. So now I'm going to have to figure out how to, like, cut bits out, which will be fun. Trading, for me overall, has been a lot of ups and downs. Got a pretty good couple weeks of good profit and thought that I was really getting it. See how it's going down again? It's like what I said. It's like, oh, I'll get it because it's going up, but no, now it's coming down again. But yeah, had a couple of weeks of pretty good profit. Thought I was doing great, and then just hit a really bad losing streak again. So if I can look at these and come back and say, watch the video and say I did this, and I shouldn't have done that. Hindsight's always 20/20, of course. It might help. It'd be educational for me. It might be educational for somebody else too. If I ended up uploading this to a YouTube channel and you guys found it, then yeah, maybe it'll help you too. There's Day Trader Next Door, I think is his YouTube channel. He hasn't been posting new videos recently because he's had some life stuff going on, but his sort of day-to-day on trading futures, which is what I'm doing, is the futures. I think was pretty helpful for me when I was first starting out. Well, see now, it looks like it's going to go down. If it goes past, should I just do it? looks like it's going down. Then we'll just put that up.
Order filled.
Put this down right about there-ish. See how that does. Not looking for a whole lot each time. Just enough that I can say that I have daily profit is really all I'm going for right now. And actually I should maybe even be doing 1 contract instead of 5, but it's a demo account, so when I get to the point of doing like a funded account challenge, you know, I'll probably drop it down to 1 or 2 or something like that, just so that I'm not losing a whole ton every time. It really looks, I don't know, looks like it's going to go down, because it's, at least right now, it's been in kind of this downtrend. And then it tried to go back up, and it didn't make it. And it tried to come down, and it kind of went wibbly here a little bit, and then it went down. Of course, now watch, it's going to pop back up and stop me out. Or maybe not. We'll see. I'm thinking of moving my take profit up just a touch. Or maybe I'll just wait and see if it hits. Just a little bit more. Actually, what I should do is move this right here, so that if it sucks back up, then I'm not out anything. That's what I ought to do. Actually, it's gonna do that, isn't it? Pop that up a little bit. Yeah, I'm out. 250 is good. Did I get 250? I got 250.
Order filled.
Yeah, there we go. All right. So that's really all I wanted. It's just a little bit of something. 250 is pretty good. You know, it's what is that? 4. Oh, but yeah, look at that. It kept going down, so I could have just left it down there a little bit, right there at the bottom of this one. Okay, well, that's not bad for day 1 of this. Yeah, perfect sterling trading record right there for all of our first day. All right.